Welcome. Today we are looking at the Oraimo UltraCleaner S2 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. I have also reviewed other vacuum cleaners from Oraimo. If you want to watch them reviews, I will link them in the description box below and in the iCard. If you want to pick this up, I will leave a link in the description box below. Before we start, if you find this video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section, and please do subscribe to watch more reviews. Before I open the box, I thought I'll show you this side of the box. It has some information here. It's letting us know it has powerful suction, touch control. The tube bends on this, easy to empty, and it's also letting us know it has reinforced dual filtration system, IMF and Hepa. That should be good for allergy sufferers. This is everything that was included inside the box. The first thing, instruction booklet in different languages. Get some screws and wall plugs to mount the cleaner. That's the mounting bracket. The cleaner would sit in there, and then you could put the tools in there as well. That's what that looks like from the back. A spare filter. A nice size crevice tool. They're all a push fit system, this. Just put one at the end of the cleaner. Power adapter. Mine's a 3-pin one because I'm in the UK. 2-in-1 tool. It's like a little crevice tool. If I push that forward, that's a dusting brush. Upholstery tool, has a little picker there. This will be good for your mattress, pet bedding, your stairs. Cleaning tool, that side has a little blade for getting your hair wrapped up around the brush bar. That part's to clean the bin or to clean the head. A removable battery. As I mentioned in all my Oraimo reviews, that's what I really like about this company. The battery is removable. That way you could pick a spare one up from Oraimo and you could extend your cleaning time. Just letting us know, push there. This cleaner comes with a flexible wand which will be really useful for cleaning under low furniture. You could put the tools at the end of the wand as well. The floor head, it's got some LED lights there. It's got some charge points there because this has a 15-watt motor. That's what it looks like from the bottom. Big soft wheels at the back so they won't scratch your floors. Felt strip there, felt strip there. You could remove the brush bar to give it a further clean. Just push that backwards, pull that up, then we'll have access to the brush bar. They're stiff, they're soft. It would only go back in one way. Let me just put this extra piece back on. Before we move on to the main unit, I forgot to show you the charging port on the battery. I'll put that on there. The main unit, it's got some branding there, Oraimo Max line there. This is 800 ml container. To empty it, we just push that. I've showed you at the front, that's where the tools will fit. You could even use the floor head directly on there to do your stairs. Power control, auto or max. At the back, that's the Hepa filter. To gain access to the Hepa filter, we just twist it, pulls out. Could wash that. Wash your filters once a month. Make sure they're completely dry before you put them back into the machine. That's what that looks like. To gain access to the other filter, you could see it's letting us know lock on and lock off. We push this button first and then we twist it and that pulls out. The whole shroud comes out. Then we can remove the shroud. That's got a lock off and a lock on as well. So just twist it towards the lock off pull that off. That's what that looks like. Then we could wash this filter. We could clean all this shit out. The brush, you could use that to clean the shit out. That's the spare filter. When you wash these filters, squeeze them to make sure they're completely dry and then put them back in the cleaner. That part is saying up there anyway, so it's letting us know. You need to line that up and twist it towards the lock position. And then we match that with the arrow where it's lock off, and then we twist it towards the lock sign and it's locked. Okay, let's insert the battery. I don't know if you can see that there's a little rubber part there that lifts up, so you could charge the battery while it's in the cleaner. This little screen at the back gives us information. If I turn the cleaner on, it's letting us know we have 39% battery remaining and it's on auto. And at the top, if I slide my finger, that's increased the suction. If I slide it back, that's decreased the suction. If I just push auto, it's letting us know we're in auto. It does have really strong suction, this. Okay, let's put it together. So I've put down some lentils, some loose tea and some cornflakes. I will be putting the same stuff down on carpet. As for the cleaner itself, I will be leaving it in auto. That way the vacuum cleaner will decide how much suction it needs. I don't know if you heard the pitch change there. It went slightly higher. That's when it needed more suction. So as I left it in auto, the machine decided it needed more suction. Picked pretty much everything up, just brought back a few lentils and a tiny bit of loose tea. The reason I've put a chair here, I just want to show you the wand. As you can see, it stops there. And if I push that, it carries on. I've put down the same stuff on the carpet. Again, I will be leaving the cleaner in auto mode first. Yeah, it's picked pretty much everything up. It just brought back that little lentil from the side. Okay, so perfect example there. It's saying, I don't know if, oh, it's gone off. It said E1 at the back because the brush bar had gone off because it caught the carpet there. So all you normally do is just turn it off and turn it back on again and it will start working again. There you go, friends. That was the Oraimo Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. In my opinion, this is a good cleaner. I have reviewed other Oraimo cleaners as well on my channel, as I mentioned before, and I am impressed with Oraimo cleaners. They're really good at picking up dirt. Maintenance is easy. That's a big thing to consider as well. And I really like Oraimo using removable batteries. You could pick up spare batteries, extended your cleaning time. If you're elderly or if you have any problems with your hands and arms, this would be a good cleaner for you because it's light. I like the flexible wand. It's really good for cleaning under low furniture. One thing I would have liked to see a small brush head, because this only comes with a large brush head. If it come with a smaller one, that would have been perfect for your car, footwells, bedding, even the stairs. So in my opinion, all in all, I think this is a really good cleaner. If you want to pick this up, check the first link in the description box below. If you want to watch other Oraimo vacuum cleaner reviews, I will also link them down below in the description box and in the iCard. I hope this video was useful to someone. If it was, please give it a like. Any questions, ask me in the comment section, and please do subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you in my next video.